Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are new to this platform, thank you so much for stopping by. You are most welcome. My name is Josephine, and to all my OGs, you are the real MVPs. I love you so much and God loves you more. So today it's gonna be a different video. It's one of the home remedies I do and I thought to share with you. And one of the things I've learned is that, especially if you live in cold regions, if you don't want to be spending money on drugs, you have to know how to make your way around this cold, right? And that is one of the things I want to teach you today. If this is a content you like, I wanted to give this video a like, share. If you give it a like, seriously, the algorithm will recommend it to many other people, and much more. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, right? All right, take a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, or whatever it is, sit down and let's ride this journey together. So like you've seen in the title and in the beginning of the video, I'm making this home remedy, and one of the ingredients, some of the ingredients I used are ginger, cloves, lemon, that's the base, cinnamon and honey. And seriously, this will really help you. And all these ingredients, they are something that you can get locally in stores, not so expensive in some areas. I don't know how it is in other areas, but yeah, they're not so expensive. So for emphasis, one of the things I did, I chopped off the ginger. I had to remove the back. The lemon, I squeezed it, just to have that what the liquid from the lemon, I mean the juice. So I had to make it into a fresh lemon juice. Then I had to grate. This is one method I saw in a video and it's really, I just trying to flex my hand. I can actually do it with knife. You can do it with knife, you can do it anyhow you want, but I was just flexing around, so that's why I used a spoon, and you see how I did it here, right? So squeeze out the lemon, make a lemon juice for yourself, remove the back of the ginger, as well as slice the lemon, make it into slices. You can, because you're still gonna add those slices into the lemon juice. Just keep watching, enjoy, and just learn. And you can just take a note of the ingredients. Ginger is good for the body, lemon is good for the body, cloves are excellent and perfect ingredients for our body, and we really need it for our everyday life. I'll put down in the description box below benefits of all these ingredients. Also, I had to grate the ginger. I grated a portion of the ginger just for it to release all those juiciness. You want to extract everything extractable for this home remedy to actually be very, very effective. So I grated a portion of the ginger that I added later. When I was done with the grating and the slicing, I took up a clean jar and a sieve, and like you're seeing in the video, I poured the lemon juice as the base. Like I said earlier on, I poured it as the base, as you see in the video. I pour everything, like the quantity I needed. I pour it bit by bit, and I started adding all the necessary stuffs that there is. So I added the slice lemon, like you can see here. I added sliced lemon. Next, I added my honey bit by bit. This was actually the last quantity in this jar, so I just wanted to empty everything in this mixture. So I added the honey, I added some cloves, I also added some sliced ginger that I sliced the other time, yeah, and I added my grated ginger. I added more lemon juice, then I added the sticks of the cinnamon in the plastic wrap on the top countertop. So yeah, just start mixing bit by bit, and I'll put the quantity of everything I use. I'll put them in the description box below, so please check it out and leave your comment as well. So I kept adding all the ingredients bit by bit till I was satisfied with the quantity I want, like you see in the video, and I closed the jar. Can you see this awesomeness? So I closed the lid, and yeah, voila, and I shake so that everything can be well combined together. This is the simple home remedy I did, and this really helped. Most times when we are approaching winter season, I do this for myself and my family, my little children, and my husband. And yeah, this is something at your disposal. So whenever I want to use this, I just take a bit of it and put it inside a cup and add some warm water and mix it up and drink. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Like, subscribe. Bye.